So today I'm reviewing the Vax Blade Ultra 32 volt cordless vacuum cleaner TBT3V1P2. The lovely people at AO.com asked me if I would do this, so I'm going to try and give you an honest review. So we have the handheld motor and dirt container unit, which is just here by Rudy, who you can't really see. This has a battery level illuminated display on the back, which is here. That lights up and shows you how much charge you have in your battery. Goes down in 25% increments. You've got a booster button here, just to give you a bit of extra power, and the brush head button here to engage its rotor. We have the reach wand, which is here, and the powered brush head here, as well as crevice tool, upholstery tool, and a special rubber toothed tool for the stairs and dealing with pesky pet hairs, isn't it? It's so easy to get to grips with and very quick to charge. It has so far dealt with carpets, rugs, quarry tiled floors and wooden flooring. The only thing it has an issue with is long hair and rogue threads. They quickly store the brush head and then it has to be removed to be cleaned. Talking of cleaning, the dirt container is so easy to access on the Vax Ultra. Quick sprung, release into a bin and job done. The filters are all removable and cleanable, which is an absolute bonus. Other similar appliances don't offer this and it's really frustrating when you come to clean it. So the charging port is here, and your transformer plugs in there and straight into your power point, and then it will show a display here as well as along here as it's charging. For those of you who like things to be put away neatly and tidily, there's a wall bracket included, plugs, the screws and the fixings, and obviously it goes on the wall, this sits on it. If you're not going to do that, then you need to store it somewhere safe and flat, because the motor itself won't be supported by the weight of the wand. Anyway, happy vacuuming. I think it's a brilliant product. One little niggle, but hey, it's just one. Really enjoy